Welcome to the Baby Trend video channel. Today we will be going over the setup for our Bounce and Dance 4-in-1 Activity Center walker. Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all of the included parts listed on the parts page of the instruction manual. Start by removing all packaging from the included parts. Start with the circular base right side up and begin clicking in each leg into the Activity Center base. From there, line up the tabletop tray logo with the base front lettering. Insert the tabletop into all 3 legs. Before assembling the swivel seat, push the tabs inward to detach the seat from the top plate of the Activity Center. Turn the seat right side up and click into the center opening. Be sure to press down firmly and rotate the seat to ensure the swivel function is active. To adjust the seat, locate the adjustment strap underneath the seat to tighten or loosen. If you would like to lock the seat into place, use the lever underneath the table to activate the swivel lock. Align the square seat tab to the lock and push inward. This Activity Center's Light and Sound Board and Tippy Tap Dance Board both require 3 AAA batteries each. To insert the batteries, unscrew the battery door and pull outward. Place the batteries in. Be sure to secure battery door by retightening the screws and push until it clicks into place. Use the on and off switch to activate. To attach the Activity Center toys, make sure the toys are aligned with their single or double tab housings. Underneath the Activity Center tray, twist and lock the toy into place. Each toy belongs to a specific slot placement, so make sure the toys are in the correct positions. Make sure your child is not inside the Activity Center before changing the height positioning. To adjust the height position, push the button on the table leg inward. Then push or pull the table leg to the desired position. Repeat for the additional legs. This Activity Center walker offers 4 modes in one: Stationary Activity Center, Bouncer with Music Base, Baby Walker, and Tummy Time Floor Plate with sound buttons. For use in Stationary Activity Center mode, pull the wheels out and tuck underneath the base. Make sure the Tippy Tap Dance Board is removed. For Bouncer with Music Base mode, pull the wheels out and tuck underneath the base. Insert the Tippy Tap Dance Board into the bottom platform and push down until it lays all the way flat. For use in Baby Walker mode, be sure to remove the Tippy Tap Dance Board. Then, pull the wheels out from the base and straighten out. Make sure to lock the seat in alignment with the front of the tray and base. The Tippy Tap Dance Board can also be used on its own for tummy time to promote core strength and to encourage mobility for your baby. Thank you for watching. We hope your baby loves the Bounce and Dance 4-in-1 Activity Center walker.